If you feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of stress and being broke, I have good news for you. It's not because you're not smart enough. It's because you're focusing on the wrong things. When I was 18, I had zero money and no fancy qualifications, but I had a goal to make my first $10,000. Most people waste years trying to get rich quick through risky day trading or crypto, only to lose everything. But today, I'm going to share the exact stupid simple 3-step system that changed my life. This isn't about luck. It's about building an income engine that works for you. Forget about selling physical products locally. It takes too much time and money to manufacture. Forget day trading. It's gambling. If you want to hit 10K fast, you need a business that requires zero upfront cost and has massive profit margins. That's why I recommend online services. Whether it's video editing, thumbnail design, copywriting, or social media management, these are the modern gold mines. Why? Because with products, you might make a 20% margin. With services, you're keeping 80% of what you earn. Don't worry about building a fancy website or a logo right now. Just pick a skill, find a client, and start delivering value. Remember, your goal is to earn and learn at the same time. So how do you scale that into a consistent $10,000 a month? You need to master the skill pyramid. First is positioning. Stop being a general video editor. Position yourself as the guy who helps entrepreneurs make more money through their videos. Second is leverage. Stop charging by the hour. If you charge $20 an hour, you're capped. Charge for the results you provide. If you can prove you're increasing a client's sales, they'll happily pay you much more. Third is reach. Don't chase clients. Let them come to you. Post your work on TikTok or Twitter. Show your before and after edits. Document your progress. Finally, reliability. This is where 95% of people fail. They miss deadlines or go silent. If you are the person who communicates clearly and hits every deadline, you will automatically be in the top 5% of earners. Use a CRM to track your clients and never drop the ball. Now, here is where the rich and the wealthy split paths. Once that 10K starts hitting your bank account, do not rush to buy designer clothes or a fancy car. That's a trap. Instead, treat your income like seeds. You need to plant them in 4 areas. High-yield savings. This is your safety net for emergencies. Index funds, like the S&P 500. This is how you build long-term, slow, but certain wealth. Individual stocks. This is how you learn how the market actually works. Crypto, a small, high-risk allocation for potential upside. Building wealth is a game of patience. The rich spend their money, the wealthy make their money work for them. If you want to start making your first $10,000, don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Start today, pick a service, and be the most reliable person in your field. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to subscribe WikiCity